The iPhone 16 Pro new video teaser has been leaked by a Dubai retailer named Sharaf DG on his Facebook page. The video suggests that the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro could introduce a new color option, possibly with a coffee-like finish, and may include enhancements to the camera system. Let's dive into this leak. But before we proceed, please hit that subscribe button for early future updates. Apple is set to reveal the iPhone 16 lineup during its Glowtime event on September 9th. Each year, Apple introduces a unique color for its Pro models, and recent leaks suggest this year will be no different. While some reports speculate that the new color could be named Gold Titanium, others suggest a brown shade. However, the video teaser from Sharaf DG hints at a coffee-colored finish for the iPhone 16 Pro. The 14-second video doesn't provide extensive details but does highlight the triple camera array emerging from a cup of coffee. Although the camera module isn't purely coffee-colored, previous iPhone models have featured a two-tone design, where the camera area contrasts with the rest of the device. The video's focus on the coffee cup before revealing the camera array could imply upgrades to the camera setup. There's speculation that the iPhone 16 Pro may include an improved telephoto lens, with some reports indicating a 5x zoom capability. The zoom effect in the video might also hint at enhancements to the macro photography feature, which Apple introduced with the iPhone 13 Pro series. While these details remain unconfirmed by Apple, the It's Glowtime event is just days away, so the official features of the iPhone 16 Pro will be revealed soon. Additionally, tech insider Kwan shared the same video teaser on his X account formerly known as Twitter, sparking discussions about whether the Dubai retailer intentionally leaked or teased the new color and camera upgrades for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Furthermore, a famous tipster, Majin Buu, shared MagSafe cases with possible official colors, based on schematics for the iPhone 16 series on his social media account X, formerly known as Twitter. The colors are black, light blue, light pink, dark blue, and purple. By the way, do you use MagSafe cases? Let us know in the comments below. Additionally, Apple recently announced a significant partnership with OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, to power its Apple Intelligence features. This collaboration is expected to bring AI enhancements to the iPhone 16. However, Angelo Zeno, a technology analyst at CFRA Research, advises that these advancements will likely be part of a gradual evolution rather than a dramatic shift. Zeno emphasized that the AI features in the iPhone 16, including improvements to Siri, will evolve over time, with some of the more advanced capabilities potentially not being fully realized until 2025. I think we will have to wait until the launch of the iPhone 17 series to see the true potential of Apple Intelligence. So what are your thoughts about these latest leaks? Do you think the video is legit? Share your opinion in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.